Want to know where the rich actually stash and grow their wealth? These are the 20 vaults they use. Let's unlock them. Chapter 1, Land and Property, the ultimate wealth anchor, cash flow plus appreciation. 2, Equities build long-term value. They buy great businesses, not trends. 3, Investing in private companies, high returns, high control. 4, Betting early on startups. Huge upside if they hit. 5, Low risk, long-term game, slow and steady doses win. 6, Trusts, offshore accounts, not illegal, just strategic. 7, a hedge against inflation and uncertainty. 8, songs, books, trademarks, income that never sleeps. 9, build or buy cash-generating businesses. Control is king. 10, they borrow against these tax-free secret banker trick. 11, art appreciates. Luxury watches and rare cars too. Not hype. They invest strategically, not emotionally. Land that produces income, rich love it. A safer plays, used for preserving wealth, not creating it. 15, legal international banking allows privacy plus tax efficiency. 16, used to transfer wealth to future generations, tax smart. 17, real estate exposure without managing tenants. 18, a system that prints cash if run right, low innovation, high replication. 19, they don't own businesses, they own owners of businesses. 20, foundations equals tax breaks, influence, and legacy. The rich don't just make money, they protect and multiply it. Which vault surprised you the most? Comment below, subscribe for more money mastery, learn the game, play to win.